Here we are at SHOT Show 2020 in the Benchmade booth. I'm Kyle Crawford with WorkSharp.
And I'm Troy Hellman with Benchmade Knife Company.
WorkSharp and Benchmade have partnered to deliver new sharpening solutions and provide LifeSharp services to Benchmade customers. What we're using here today in the Benchmade booth is the WorkSharp Elite Sharpening System. Delivers similar flexible belt technology they're using there at the factory. Now we've made it simple for anyone to have in their home shop. So what Steve's doing here is sharpening the edge at a perfect 20-degree angle on a flexible abrasive belt. The sharpening is quick and easy, and he's able to get a very consistent professional level edge. So we have a 2-grit system here where we sharpen on the coarse belt, and then we move over here to the 6,000 grit honing belt. So now every home user can have a professional level sharpening solution in their home shop. But when you're out in the field, Troy, you got to maintain your edge.
When you don't have power at your disposal, a tool like the Benchmade and WorkSharp collaborated edge maintenance tool is your go-to option. Small and light enough to carry in your pocket, pack, or bag, this guy provides guided edge consistency on both your ceramic rod and your leather strop here. Complete with Benchmade pivot collars and a Benchmade mini deep carry clip, this guy can go anywhere.
It's an awesome collaboration product and one we're both really proud of. So whether you're sharpening at home or out in the field, WorkSharp and Benchmade have got the solutions for you.